got back from Wyoming. Had to run up there to pick up some tires from my buddy Nate. Got them all mounted up for the drift session, drift clinic with Chelsea DeNofa and DriftCobra at round 1. Look at the icicles on this thing. It's freaking crazy. The Cobra's pretty much ready to go for this season, and by that I mean I haven't done anything to it at all whatsoever since last year. It's pretty much just been sitting here in the garage for the last 6 months. I have a brake issue that I still need to fix for like the last 2 years I haven't fixed. I have a Panhard bar to install, and need to do a couple other things. I got a power steering pump that needs to be installed on it, and then a tubular K-member and solid motor mounts. So I have a few things that'll improve the overall driftability of the car. We'll see what we can do this season. I'm excited for the drift clinic with Chelsea DeNofa. That's going to be awesome to have a pro ride along with me. But oh, that was the other thing I needed to fix, was my seat. My seat bracket's all bent and ripped out of the floor and stuff, so you can see that is not safe. So I'll have to figure out how to fix that as well before the event. Got about 2 weeks to get it all together, so better get cracking on it. So yeah, getting this K-member on there and stuff's going to be kind of critical because I've been tearing the sidewalls out of tires. So I really hope I can get that on there before the drift event. Because if you over-rotate and spin out, tears the sidewall out of the tire. I've already ruined 3 tires, and you can see like that wheel up there, that Cobra wheel. That's exactly what I did. Tore the sidewall out of it and skidded on the track and ruined the wheel. So got to make some upgrades to it. Get the front suspension dialed in, and then might do a few other upgrades this year. I don't know. I probably should put new spark plugs in it and do some more maintenance stuff. But getting the suspension dialed is my main goal for this season, and then just to learn how to drive the dang thing and just have fun. Well, thanks for watching. We'll keep you updated with anything that gets done on the Cobra here, and hopefully we'll get to work on it in the next week or so and start making some upgrades.